Hi friends! Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get more and more organic views to your YouTube videos for completely free. Before I begin, I just wanted to say something that YouTube does. It's not a secret that YouTube gives priority to big YouTubers and the videos released by them. This is one of the reasons why it has become so hard to get views on YouTube these days. So that I've come up with an ultimate strategy to help you out in this scenario. So without any further ado, let's dive into the content and see what the strategy is. The strategy that I'm gonna show is simple, yet powerful. All you have to do is to find current trending searches, and pick the best topic or keyword among many, and then create a video on the picked trending topic. Finally, you will be getting views than ever before. Let's imagine a situation, say, Apple announces iPhone 15. Immediately after the announcement, the news reaches people like a hot cake. Many internet articles emerge on the topic. This creates a hot buzz in the tech world. This makes people search for iPhone 15, and it turns into a trending topic. This is the point where you create a video about iPhone 15 and gain views for your video on YouTube. But wait! How would you able to find the best trending topics out there? This is where Google Trends comes in handy. This free online tool from Google, who owns YouTube, does a great job. Immediately after hearing the term Google Trends, some of you might think, hey man, stop. We already know about Google Trends. And many YouTube SEO experts have already suggested us to use Google Trends. Of course, it's true that many of you might have heard about Google Trends, but the big question is, how will you use this tool? Which helps to get countless YouTube views. Coming to the point, let me demonstrate you how to use Google Trends to find the best trending searches or topics, or else in other terms keywords. First, go to your favorite browser and type in Google Trends in the search bar. Wait till the results show up. And now you have to click on the very first result, which will bring you the home page of Google Trends. Now go ahead and click on the drop-down menu in the upper right corner. As you can see, the list shows almost every country in the world to select from. Select the country you currently reside or the one in which your target audience live in. Then, come over to the top left corner and click on the menu bar for Google Trends to show the list of menu. As you can see, there are 4 extra options to choose from. Just for the sake of this strategy, the option that you have to go with among these is trending searches. So, please click on trending searches. As the name suggests, this interface tries to list the trending topics that people are looking for on the internet. More precisely, on Google, the #1 search engine out there. This page shows trending searches around the world under 2 different tabs: Daily Search Trends and Real-Time Search Trends. Daily Trends list down top 20 trending searches of each day. You can see today's trending searches as well as the searches that were trending yesterday and the day before yesterday. It goes on until you stop scrolling down. On the other hand, Real-Time Search Trends gives you the top trending searches in the past 24 hours. This also includes searches that are trending right at the moment. Even though both the options are good for you to get more YouTube views. By creating a video on one of the trending searches, you should use Real-Time Search Trends. Why I prefer Real-Time Search Trends over Daily Search Trends is because it gives you the way to narrow down the trending searches according to your niche that you create YouTube content on. As you can see, when you arrive to Real-Time Search Trends, the page lists down the hot searches belong to all categories. What you have to do is to narrow down the list by selecting your category from the drop-down menu that your niche falls in. The menu has got only 5 precise categories. If you don't find the category that your YouTube contents falls in, you could go with either all categories or top stories. Possibly, there you might find related trending searches relevant to your niche. For this tutorial, I'm gonna go with science and technology. Now you can see that the trending searches have been changed according to the category I just selected. At this point, you will see a whole bunch of trending topics, but you have to pick the right one for your channel to be able to get more views. There are some important factors to consider while choosing the topic for your next YouTube video. When you click on the arrow icon right there on every topic, you will be able to get more details, including the blue graph that shows the search interest among the people, and articles from Google News related to the particular topic. Now you just wanted to hover over the blue graph. Here, you should pay your attention on two things. One is the volume of search interest. The other is the total number of published articles. If the topic has good search interest with more number of available articles, it means the topic reaches the halfway mark for you to pick as the content for your next video. However, your goal is not completed yet, because there are still some key parts remaining. As you can see in my case, the search interest for the topic Forza Horizon 5 is around 53, which is good. And it has garnered 105 articles in total, which also good. After picking a trending topic, you have to do some research regarding the topic on YouTube itself, so that you could make most out of using this strategy. So head over to the YouTube search bar and type in the picked topic or the keyword. In my case, it's Forza Horizon 5. As you can see, even before I type in the keyword, YouTube auto-completes the term, which means that the term is searched by many users already. This is one of the reasons to consider. The results are here for the searched keyword. Just look at the uploaded times of these videos. The first one is an ad, so skip it. Second one has been uploaded just 4 hours ago. And the next one has been uploaded 1 hour ago. This clearly depicts that some YouTubers have already started to create content on the same topic before I do. By the way, in the right side to the results, you can see some stats produced by vidIQ, a free Chrome extension. The free vidIQ extension offers some handy tools to improve your channel. I use the free version, which does a decent job. As you see, it offers a score for this searched keyword. The overall score 63 out of 100 suggests that this is a good topic to create your next YouTube video, if you have a gaming or tech channel. The volume scale shows how many search entries or volumes this term gets on average. The competition scale shows you how competitive the keyword is. For a keyword to be a good one, volume should be high and the competition should be low. It doesn't matter whether you have vidIQ or not, always try to analyze the searched results by yourself. For you to do so, focus on the number of published videos, the subscribers count of the channels, and the views count of the available videos. If you find out that the uploaded videos are from the channels with a lot of subscribers, and have already gained so many views, you should think twice before creating your next video on the same topic. But, if you've got a good amount of subscribers, you can create a video and compete against already available uploads from other big channels. Now, let me analyze my search results. The first one is an ad from YouTube. The videos ranked at second and third are from the same channel. It has nearly 1.60 million subscribers, which is really huge and incredible. The first video has got 74k views from 4 hours and the second one has got 21k view from just 1 hour. The next videos in the results also from the channels which have huge subscribers count. Considering these facts, if my channel is a gaming channel, creating a video about Forza Horizon 5 would not be a good idea at all. For one gaming channel to get views creating a video about this topic, it should have vast amount of subscribers. In this critical instance, if I have a gaming channel with less than 10k subscribers, I would go back to Google Trends and try to find a better trending search, rather creating my next video on Forza Horizon 5. In this way, once you find a satisfying trending topic for your next YouTube video by using this strategy, you can also get some extra stuff from Google Trends. Thus, go back to Google Trends. When you scroll down a little, just under the graph, you can see a number of articles published about the topic. These articles are from various well-known publishers, and you can fine-tune the script of your next YouTube video by making use of these articles. You can click on the articles to find all the latest information about the topic. You can go through these articles and sharpen your knowledge just before creating the video, which will necessarily make your content more valuable to your viewers. Another great thing found in Google Trends is related queries, just beneath the articles. Here, you can see the queries related to the topic. Since the tags you add to your video, while uploading into YouTube play a key role in getting views for your videos, you could make use of this section related queries to find valuable tags. At the same time, don't forget to ignore the unrelated terms while you choose your tags for your video. So guys, this is how you should make use of this useful and free tool Google Trends to get more views for your YouTube videos. This strategy may sound simple, but if you use this wisely, you will be amazed to see the results it gives you. So please give this a try and do not skip any part of this strategy to get better results. Finally, one thing I wanted to say is that I will be releasing videos revealing a lot of unknown strategies to help the overall growth of your YouTube channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hitting that bell icon, so that you will be notified when I release a new video in the future. So thank you very much for watching my video and please support me by subscribing my channel. Bye for now and see you soon.